Welcome to 3ERP, a place where your brilliant designs are forged into precision reality. I'm Denny. A question we often get from our clients is, should my part be made on a 3-axis or a 5-axis machine? The wrong choice can mean higher costs and longer lead times. The right one can perfectly balance budget, precision, and efficiency. Today, we're going to demystify this for you. Think of it less as a technical choice and more like choosing the right dance partner for your part. Some dances are simple and direct, while others require elegant, complex turns. Let's find out which partner is ready for a perfect tango with your part. First, let's meet our trusted friend, the 3-axis mill. We can call it the reliable workhorse. Its dance moves are classic. The X-axis, left and right. The Y-axis, forward and back. And the Z-axis, up and down. For parts that primarily need work on a single plane, things like drilling holes, milling slots, and cutting flat profiles, the 3-axis is the undisputed king of cost-effectiveness. But what if your part has complex side features or undercuts? For our 3-axis friend, this means we have to stop, flip the part, and set it up again. Each new setup adds labor time and introduces a small risk of positioning error. So, to summarize, when your part is relatively simple, without complex curves or features on its sides, 3-axis is the ideal choice for saving costs and ensuring a fast delivery. And now, let's meet our other dancer, the 5-axis mill. The agile artist. It takes the 3 linear axes of X, Y, and Z and adds 2 rotational axes, typically the axis, which rotates around X, and the C axis, which rotates around Z. These 2 extra joints give it extraordinary flexibility, allowing the tool to cut any corner of the workpiece at the optimal angle. On a 5-axis machine, we can achieve done in one. What does that mean? Higher precision, because there's no re-clamping error. Shorter lead times, because we save immense amounts of setup time. For complex parts in aerospace, medical, and automotive industries, it's often the only choice. Furthermore, 5-axis machining can achieve a superior surface finish and allows us to use shorter, more rigid tools, which increases cutting efficiency and tool life. So, back to our original question. Which dance partner is right for your part? It's not that complicated. Let's look at 3 key factors: geometry, budget, and lead time. First, geometry. Is your part a simple flat surface like this, or a complex polyhedron like this? The more complex, the more it leans towards 5-axis. Second, budget. For simple parts, a 3-axis machine hour is less expensive, no question. But for a complex part, a 5-axis can actually be more cost-effective overall by eliminating setup labor. Third, lead time. How urgent is your project? Sometimes, 5-axis is the only highway to a fast delivery. You don't have to be the machining expert, because that's our job. Here at 3ERP, we don't just run machines. We are your project partners and problem solvers. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to partnering with you to create excellence.